Hey, what is up, everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily create invoices on QuickBooks Online. So, all you have to do is head over to qbo.intuit.com and, of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in the left panel, hover your mouse on Sales, then click on Invoices. Next is just click on Create Invoice. And from here, you can start by filling all the details about the invoice, starting with the customer. Just select the customer that you want to create this invoice for. Also, enter in the invoice date and due date. Then, next is just fill in the service date. Start by selecting a date. Say, for example, we're going to select the date today and also select a product or service. Also add in quantity, rate, and amount, and add in the tax if applicable. You can also add in a message on statement, and attachments. Then once done, you can save and close. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye.